everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a video showing me fully renovating my master bathroom. I'm gonna get rid of the vanity, the mirror, everything gotta go. Also I'm taking out the tiles and that shower curtain, I hate it so much. So I'm just gonna get rid of all that and I'm gonna keep the bathtub. So this is a video just showing what it looks like before. If you like my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below. As I'm taking the stuff out from the vanity, I began feeling some pain in my neck, and that's definitely from reaching underneath. So I'm glad I'm replacing the vanity and getting the ones with drawers. I got some help with taking down the mirror. I was really scared that I'd break it if I tried to do it myself. And I had plans on repurposing, so definitely didn't want it to break. I went to Lowe's to take a look at their vanity. They have some really nice vanity, but I decided to go with this one because it's more modern and it fits my style. So before I started doing any work to the vanity, I was just inspecting. I noticed that the vanity had a lot of flaws, could be from manufacturer. Also, I did notice that there was some scratch on the door. It could be from installment because I bought this vanity already installed. But it was okay because I had plans to DIY anyways and paint it. So it was okay. Because this vanity is melamine, I decided to grab some Shellac-based paint. I added about 2 to 3 coats to the jars and also to the vanity itself, just to get it nicely covered. But apparently shellac-based paint should hold paint onto melamine really strongly, so I highly recommend using a melamine prior to painting. My next stop was at the Home Depot. I wanted to go and check out some lighting that they had. They had some really, really beautiful lighting. I spent like a whole 30 minutes just standing there. Not exaggerating, by the way. But in the end, I ended up I was torn between 2 lights. I wanted to either get this one or get this one. So continue watching to see which one I chose. So I went ahead and I installed the flooring and I put the vanity in. So the flooring that I used was the vinyl plank flooring from Home Depot. It's really easy to install, so I didn't feel like I needed to put a video on how to install it. I also went ahead and installed my mirror. I got it at the Home Depot, and I just used a hanging hook and also some glue to secure the bottoms to the wall just so that it doesn't fall off, especially during cleaning. Here I'm also just getting my towel handle bar up. I'm just doing all the measurements just to make sure that it's nice and straight. And yeah. I wanted some shelves over my toilet, but to buy the shelves that are already made and ready to install, they can be a little pricey, so I just decided to make my own. I got a piece of pine wood at the Home Depot. I have them cut it for me, and I just grab a couple brackets or shelving brackets as well, and you know what, it turned out perfectly for me. Oh my god, I'm super excited to show you what the finished product to look like. I just wanted to show you a before just so you have an idea what it looked like. And you know what? I am super happy with the way the washroom turned out. I feel like it's still a work in progress because I'm still going out. I'm still finding stuff to use and decorate the washroom. But I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out. Personally, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really appreciate it. I really, really appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.